Oke, kadom.
Kadom.
Oke, kadom, carving long life kelang ratum don. Pini niltum carving long life pen. Niltum jasamat ketek ding atum pan ketek kiri atum pan niltum short interview. Mate lam this helang niltum pen kecing kijai mek niltum deng bom bang bom lo. Lasi nona bangke se birta pace thakji pan niltum jasamat dak nang ke humri bangke. Ilitum kacing honai, ilitum kacing honang jir lo. Delan Rongpipi, alang li ilitum pan karbing long arar pan nong mekewan lapen alang li kachepadu ga join isi jasamet karbisor lo pan isi nong mekewan lapen isi society pan nong mekewan lapen alang li non hejong ilitum dak di mahasau long omrang so long ilitum la Falcon Festival 2023 la so kachepahai alang li Miss Grand Falcon pu labang so 2023 alang li si kecheng sianong ege chelong abang philo labang so award alang si long pon lo pen laki si tangka laki si pulote joy ke gali samya alang li kachepaduk alang li aning ke hang alang li ketek sera joy ni si pinili tu makhei phan pen laki si anong is tamya alang li wan lo laki si abang ke phielam lo tamya labang so nong lapuan participants ke doang bong selang liga chepati dun si pinili tu makhai phan nong me evan pila beauty pageant polote litum miss KYF ta si nong me ke the tam a platform lo la sondak tak si asam long polote la Falcon Miss Grand Falcon labang so beauty pageant sita me penangan lage si international lawai kang long ta amen dudun lo tema Falcon polote labang so Falcon na wu jasamet Siberia pensi lapen Northern China pensi alang litum ningkan esek suri awu tum nangjar po 20,000 kilometers so selang litum ajak nangjar po Assam Nagaland Manipur long selang litum labang so wu tum jasamet kecu apan lok selang litum labang so wu tum dak nangjar ji hala so nang kang jar hut penangan amulu ketum muni datum aning kehno tum penangan labang so wu ke apen cheng lok a ok chu ji phan la pena wu akering neb dun po ke jor lambe par be hapan penangan bidilang no claim lo lasi asam pensitame di mahasau council pensitame chipatir pipon lo la penelitum dak ilitum ladak kirmi mate ilitum ladak west karbing long pensitame kese tum chipatir pipon si labang so falcon awu phan cherai kom je phan forest tum chipatir pipon si alang litum preserve dun je phan ane labang so wu cherai kom din ji phan se ason bidi claim lo son sak si Falcon Festival sitame non manke international lawai kang long ta ledun lo lapen Bollywood singer pen cheng lo international rock band tum sami dang nak participate dun lo pen non manke Falcon Festival ke penangan ka thang do lo pen ladak ilitum ini lo ilitum kaching honai jir alang li non labang so Miss Grand Falcon labang so 2023 anong award ke long dun ke lam so kali atima lada participants do pick la pelada ke texer nangi arjita me pick nangji intelligent nangi smart nangi karju pen ke thak texer bang pinangji confidence level bang high pick nangi lan mati ke nangli just atum han nangli labang so spirit nangli paklang ponone lasi pinili tu makhai phan alang li labang sonong me kewan pithe kapot niltum carving long life pen same alang li phan suri kadom pen akhero pajir pon lo se alang li pen nilitum etetheni alang li hobbies alang li kailamu thiek pen lapen alang li tum a guardian a piepu lapen alang li na pen si school charlima ang ton pen nang li hin pen le tangte nali phan ni tum carving long life pen short interview phan apor ang kibidun thek pon ali phan suri kadom pajir lo la se nang li hin pen le intro chipi pon
Kadom, dona tumma phatna inke keching sige nili karbiang long life pan suri kadom chipilo athema alom so pan setame nili pan asam apor nang chipilo pot nili men ke Delan Rongpipi inke nili ke ini ke betalot beya rong pen hanjang lang so pen inke nili apo men ke ron rong pi inke nili apai men ke subhonti te ron pi inke alambang ke la beauty pageant po interest kido ta ni pai join ni pusiput melo athema ni pai prang ta ni pan motivate o hai inke ni pai 2005 foot bange alang Miss Best Karbipi Award along lo la phansi nilita ni pai an ke chupodun de setame bor ibom lo alang an chipali phan la si la non dak ni Miss Grand Falcon ki hai pota ni pai phansi ni bangke dedicate po for always being the one supporting me bujat hedi inke ni nili hobbies ke
schooling ke na pen
actually ni schooling ke Guwahati pen
keching pena
yeah because na nili pai bang ke lang ke central welfare board long siklem matidi so after every 5 years ni tumbang ke kaita transfer nang vertiti so la so join si mane nili arling lam ta kengo eda ta hai mini he but still bor idun bom pa he mo nang dia da no no si chok che that ta me he inke la lo like because of the ni tum ni schooling ta class 10 punoi 12 punoi Guwahati pen siklem lo inke nili masters ki claim ta Tamil Nadu pen si claim yes so lo so phi isia portal hai covid ta wang thuji lo inke because of that isia face do lo where like nili bangi ington kok lo copy si claim no ma pu si do kok lo hai but somehow I think so winning this Miss Grand Falcon was really important for me because at one phase ni ta mane chingbo hoy lo where when I'm supposed to go posanjal hai but winning this was really a big part of my life pupumelo
kali
confidence
how lo labang so after winning this crown of Miss Grand Falcon 2023 it's a great honor for her, especially for her family and for her society. And this is especially for those girls who venture out to get her own identity. Di isilam lo puparlam di suarlo tumke comfort zone pen jong si ang tanchon lo pulote kiun e asitinta alam masya velo athema kar il tumke pinso suarlo polam avi non akai ke so pinso suarlo tai si natlo alang litum jong si comfort zone hempen jong si barlo pulote ang tan ke alang litum arule aduk arule kisung ke boy arule mekri meklang pen sta me alang litum jong si bor ilo pulote anutin da kiun e alama seve la son da si alang li sta me alang li la so ke matha atimang bong long ke covid-19 ke du ko joini penang am au sumar tum just met alang litum son son ke isi career phan hedi edhok tum ke air hostess long join nun hoy edhok tum ke nani entrance bidun po akela so covid-19 pen break that po angka phike chi join dun un edet la son da dodo lase la son tum ke aphipi lo claim po la son tum to do lase non son son alang li stame abang so Miss Grand Falcon 2023 alang li labang so nong age palong dun pen alang li phansami since inspiration lo alang li phansame alang li stame si jakong chelong po amena ta ningje lo ahok lo labang so lam ke la pen ke Kupilo claim kan de po ke?
Ipo bang ke All India Radio long announcer.
Wah men.
Delan Rongpipi. Kaita like dodo hai like around 4 lason malam hai. So kaita lang bang kining je.
Lang Guwahati pen ba?
Kalang Guwahati pen di fu bang kali. Inke pai bang ke non ke pensioner lah hai.
Acha acha.
So
angke koti nang
ni bong do. Ni kali arluso. Alang ta masters tangal arluso so bahini.
Bahini homan ma. Ko sono nali pen mi muchot ma.
Alang ta ki makeup friend ta ki makeup friend. Ni tumang ya RJ po kaya velo. Ni tumang ke like thek nang po RJ ke na hok ta nang palili. Tema na bang ang bong jong si rengji pulon te RJ ke na hok ta nang palili. Reset nang po mithang chereng thek nang po.
ahok lo nili alang li alam nili carving long life kelang ratu man pung tum bang lo nang li keri bang do nang ji kai ke mata nang li keri set jong se avi polote nang li richu cholong le na pen re set se pote nang li ajata saita nang li chipachu no ne thema re set mati ke nang li labang sop every opportunity nang li deng pono ne ase re set nang ahok lo alang li kening jis tam la pen nang li hobbies pila
Nili hobbies ke ni ke kan ke ning hang la hai inke lun hai kar ju inke ahut pen unke painting hai kuri titi
painting na thek ma
Yes.
Wow.
So like sometimes jong si like out pen ano tin ta ups and downs ke do mati.
Oh, do.
So like when I'm feeling very low and I feel like mapaka na jingking tung tela, I'll just close myself ni mithan room nong chubon po ke ni painting chiklem po ke. It's kind of like a therapy for me. Ni mithan pan ni this.
So what kind of art do you go for?
I usually go for oil painting.
Oil painting.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now I'm planning to shift into wood also.
And then nani exhibition long paklang dulu ma.
Exhibition hai long paklang long lela. Mana ni mitang si.
Sito dulu ma penangan labang so art.
Do ke do hoy lo anto non ko so ni.
Ati ma non 50 KYF hot penangan lason ke thekeria tu han ke phado nali tame join un mela.
Kalang alam ay dilia to watch ni na dat pala. Nani hoy ripo ko son ho.
Ko son lo Chennai pen wang det pen ko son lo mane do you feel regret after coming back from Chennai or do you want to continue to stay in outside?
No. Actually, I don't want to go back. Okay. That's the reason why actually niliyeni ke masters ke claim ke biotechnology pinang matadi. So niliyeni ke research se ke claim chi pujala hai. But now I'm just having a phase where I'm like, do I really want to continue research or not? Pusunjalo. But one thing for sure, I was like, since nipai ta aprang pinta lang ta korjang hut ko social worker di. So even I kind of got very inspired from her. So even Karbiang long arat tumhani ajat pen setami pinahay ko claim uni setami to. What I thought is like, okay, nituma youth they are the future generation. They are our future generation. So nilibang ke matha ke since nituma youth tumbang sinon next generation ki mai punonte. So why not educate them? So laphan se because of that sininon dak men han se senior secondary school long sinilibang ke teacher mane lo than bom la hai
nangli ke Charlie labang so asayam ang nangli ke Charlie labang so department namang Karbing long life ke lang aratum just a new generation man than tha what is all about your mane Chennai long ke Charlie dun nangli department long copy phano lage.
Okay, basically nearly department bang medical biotechnology ke Charlie ke hai.
Technology bang.
So basically medical biotechnology is all about research. Okay. So non jong si nitung pharma companies are julong lo di. Now we are having medicines and everything. So all this is because of the research. Mane ko lakhs of people are doing research every day. Non best example ni ki pudamji bang ke non COVID-19 hut nitum vaccine long lo. So laso hut bang ke when COVID-19 ke bang hut bang ke government were planning like research pa latum ko funding ki PG pool matidi. So it's because of them, because of many thousands of scientists, they've been like restlessly latum vaccine ke salamji phan lok si lab long ko ani ghonta chipi se nitum non vaccine nitum ki long. It's all because of their hard work of all the scientists all over the world.
So a kind of scientist.
Actually, it's scientists only. They are scientists only.
Complete alumala.
Nearly master's tang elo. So I'm planning of pursuing PhD soon. Yeah. First nearly a goal bang ke at least Karbiang long rat tumhani non next future generation tumhani at least asabuan ke ni contribution chipikan na pusanjalo. Na so maybe I will go for PhD and I will continue my service as a teacher. Maybe.
Asa kun non yung nalo thanon mong.
Non men han se senior secondary school. Lapo.
Higher secondary school. Let's go solo education part long solo ke thandon. How is your experience? Like because all the youngsters are
Actually teaching it's always a new experience. You get to meet different kinds of children. You get to interact with them. In a way being a teacher is like growing along with them. It's like it's a mutual bonding even though I'm teaching them, but at the same time I'm learning something new from them. So teaching is learning and learning is never old. We should always learn. I'm like jong hele osu chihek satame pine akimi hormone nitum hanang than thek po. Even though jong hele sar that mane nang than thek satame osu indon anta nang ninje thek so na he pine isi mane dodo mate. So like lalo.
As a lifelong during your up down life can not up down do kisung ke boy doing suar hang do la song bong si life ke it's move on. La song bong koma pansi nang li non lanarta nang lelo then after getting this crown to whom do you like to dedicate?
To whom?
Mane nang li life along nali panang kera up down hot nang li jir pin nang li jir potum punon nang li colleagues atum punon nang li pai nang li po tu vom mane wholeheartedly nang li maphallo akero pajiring tu
ini ke do someone special.
Okay.
My best friend.
Okay.
He's always there.
Okay.
Obviously my friends also. My best friends also. They are always there for me. Like at times, nili ta senior struggles mang ipai po tumta nang bujidun thik theda ta hai mini. So lasud bang ke they were always there. Even in on Miss Grand Falcon kipi damji puhuta nijir pe tumta they were always very supporting. And obviously the special someone was always supporting. So ining ar klong pin ke latum hasuni dedicate po. Inke obviously ni pai ni po tumta latum ta like is a very big contribution dolo because without them I would not be the like who I am. Di latum sinipan ko anlo ni nang nurture lo, nang pathelo, nang parilo. Obviously they have a very big part of very big part. Di latum a role bang but still latum in the best friend and some special someone also is they have a big role.
Okay. Choro parlo penanga ni litum la nang li hobbies te tame chingki tan padolo la penali career nang future PPC nang li PhD lam pen cheng lok penanga lam litum chingki te tan lo pai po lam da chingki te tan lo nang li bong lam da chingki te tan lo before winding up all our short interview nang li phana jiban galalo nang li jongsi nang li phan jongsi film artist along jongsi Karbi Film Society long lang dam lo pote nangli phan best actress ke maphano nangli ningge hang alang li men puji
Best actress actually
you don't watch Karbi movie right
even though I watch but mane amen bang ni pang te ai bangan cho
Malinti Sophie
oh yeah I think so I know Malin yeah she's really good she's a really good
okay,
actress
yeah. Actor ang bong ke
actor ang bong pen bang ke
Vijay Legte Vipul Teran
no
okay you don't know okay singer maphalo
Arling
Arling
singer ke hala pipli kilun
Ronghang song bijil
Kalian penting ni book Nitu bang kali no I like the old artists Latuma lun mag jumi mo apa no
ane Bollywood actor malo
Bollywood ani how
ane Hollywood ke malo
Hollywood Jason Momoa
okay last mentusi ke lang lo Karbi film
last day lang lipin lo alam bang ini bang elan social media hai talan active ho so I'm not a very good candidate about that you know kanjiwanta
okay so ange etum penangana lam chetan lo nona banke how was the experience regarding this after getting this crown and how did you manage to join this kind of beauty pageant actually, did someone or koson mesin nangli laso idea ke long lo je I have to go
actually it was not planned
oh suddenly
a colleague of mine okay like he just sent me this ad no about Miss Grand Falcon audition and he was like Miss nang lita dam thate pujala hai so even I was like okay nili bang aprang pilo papa graduation ho the graduation ho nili aprang Miss Freshers ta hai long tang lo mate so because of
Miss Freshers man nalo
USTM yes
okay
so la suhut pen lo ne pai bang she had really high hopes like oh nang ki Miss India damo bolo mala so phi covid bang jilo inke hatak bai damo ne dalon ki ni arta ta cross dal hai so because of that to maybe dak jo se ni opportunity long plote once an ki ni life long ni beauty pageant an ke dam lang pujal hai compete don lang pujal like do I really have that you know the thing for beauty pageant doma vema pujalo so somehow la so si sir bangta mane pelo popo nang senchid la hai kinita okay I'll just give a try pujala hai so I just happened to be in the audition ke somehow I got selected for
audition ena logan
half long
ma
yeah like we were given this Diwali holiday na so la so hut si nim phanani kang sam oh no ada prang lom nang kolo that tomorrow we're going to have mega audition
okay
so if you can come just lang rai no puja la hai
ala sot ke pilo dress ke
Hala so bangge ni tum han ke isi uniform nang pipi mati like blue jeans and white top.
Okay.
I had to bring my heels.
Okay.
Inke like since non bangge ni dak diffusi do pon ni heels ke dak se dolap lo hai. So I had to go like my sister. She was always there. She was really supporting that time. Alang bang ogring nusi si tamin ang dun lo alang bang.
Acha bahini si dam.
Bahini si dam lo.
Oh, wow.
Inke dam lo and then audition pi lo. Inke ajo mat ke bangun dan malah si ijo dokter hai. And then laso pi bang ini tum by evening next day evening an ke nipan result nang pachini lo.
Oh nang pachini pi.
Nang pachini pi lo that I got selected. I was in the top 12. So and
mane audition hose direct top 12 namli gale
kalang like we kaprek tum ta dola hai but from there they selected top 12 and from there I was one of them and I wasn't expecting that but I'm really grateful that I got selected.
Also no ada ke be in front of so many thousands of crowd people are just shouting some kind of menaje chinila. So how was the experience?
Actually I was not nervous at all. I was enjoying that moment. Just in my interview at there itself I said life is all about experience. So I got one of the experience that I always wanted. Inke crowd ang bong pen even though I'm speaking but still you can hear somehow like pilo popola mane comment nang kipihai hai. I heard a critic about me. So at that moment I did stop for a bit then I was like people are going to say anyway but that's not going to change for who I am, who I actually am. So I just gave a smile and I just continued. So in a way so beauty pageant ke dam ke nephan bang ke isia strength nang kipilo how to face a crowd. People might not always go along with you. Sometimes there might be some critics also. But if you know who you really are, Pulonte, you need not need others to say who you are. Exactly. Like that's
the confidence. Manala kind of positive.
Always positive. It's how to nang mitang pan koson sinang chikeri titila ancholo matindi.
La stays along top 5 si kangwai cheng ma.
No. Actually, nitum 3 stage to hai. First bank nitum my traditional round dolo. So traditional round we have to give introduction about us. And what I really liked about the beauty pageant was even though nitum ni pen ni fellow contestant Anushka Teronpi. Yes. So nitum hai ni chalo Arling P we got selected. It's okay. So lasod bank even though we were Karbi but still we had this opportunity, we had this really wonderful opportunity to exchange our traditional dress with our fellow contestants with our 12 like top 12, right? So because of that I got the opportunity to wear Nepali dress like gurung and like my fellow contestant I think so she got cookies dress. So like we had this exchange cultural exchange and then laso ni bangke introduction round dolo matadi. After this we had this modern round that is like we have to wear this black dress and we have to go and all this choreographies and stuff. And then after this or at that time only like a second stage once more they asked question to each and everyone. So from there only latumbang top 5 kangwai lo.
Top 5.
After that top 5 invited a PK and then we got this opportunity wonderful opportunity to wear designer dress. So top 5 tumhata ko isi just one common question based on that only latumbang winner select lo.
Kumalo grooming
bang Sachin.
From where he belongs?
He's from actually he's from Haflong only.
Okay.
Yes, one is Sachin sir and Hema ma'am.
And who are the judges?
One was Neha Boro and
Neha Boro actress.
Actress.
I know her very well.
Even she was also in top 5 in the year. I forgot the year. Okay, but she was also one of the.
I know her.
Miss
We have already shoot during the Rongbin film. Okay.
Inke ako bahini judgment lang tingni hoilo.
Okay, so after contestant mane la top 5 invited a fee, how was your feeling? Mane did you ever imagine that not a dan po ni silong po la sort of feelings bang? Mane confidence level suppose 0 hoy down hoy mane so PC long jin nang ong ni pen lang namlo pute son the feelings do.
Actually neither. Ni ateng pen bang ke obviously judge tum do di. So each and every participants, they are unique in their own way. So I believe that the judges, whatever decision they will make, it will be very proportional, like rational, based on the criteria they will just select. If it's supposed to be me, if I am really worth it, if I'm really worth for the, like ni la so crown than ni jong si hok hak ta
long way
like if I'm really worth it for this crown na mane son pulote ni long po, or else if not me, then if someone else, then I don't mind I ni confidence level ta low ta kali. I was just living in that moment, I would say. I was just living in that moment, and like I never thought that I will be wearing heels because this was the first time that I stilettos achievement. I thought, oh no, but it was a very big achievement.
Lalo nili ani lamang sabung tanchelo nili la so lamang nili she said very big things. La so mu bang anu tinda mathanang ji litum life career long hedi elitum non for example badminton patulo nge nangli sim final long ledun lo sim final long ke ledun prote nangli matha bong ke final alam si matha dam rong titi mate ko son lo ke hai pola so lamang kai tai si stress and pong ke si burden and po kali nangli as a game patudun long tan isi ningkarong lo badminton nangli patulo as a sports person nangli lan event long join dun long lo la so her flow pen sit dam nangji whether you nang hai noi rem noi la so lamang matha te nangji la so nak tak sia lang list tame la ke matha mi ulo so stage long mami jong si la so mu bang matha is anna participant arji me tum ke doge ko son lo ni la son lo pote lang isi confidence level bang zero but a down chat graph bang down chat thai la si la so mu bang kai ta isi positive do nang ji alang li ke matha me pig lo la si tum risoi jang tum ta la so mu bang kai ta do nang ji li tum bepar le claim pustame tangka le loss don de pustame ningoi nang ne athima son bepar ke bang bom ji son tak ta sports long punon everything life long career long punon la so mu bang kai ta si flow jo alang li ning ji son me pig lo so lama ke matha si alang li la so ke matha jo ni si pini jo lalo. So after getting announced in front of 1,000 people that your name has been so how was the experience? People are cheering and all, and after winning, after being mentioned your name by the judge, by the anchor, to whom did you first came to your mind?
Okay, frankly saying, like when first of all they said my contestant number, no, I was not expecting that was me. Okay. Like maybe in future you might get to see the videos. Like when they said contestant number 11, and I was like, no, that's not me. I forgot that's my contestant number. Like I could not believe actually. And then after this, like they said my name, no, then I was like, oh, that's me. So I was like, oh, okay, I'm the winner. I was not believing at all. Like then okay, fine. So according to that, I just took my final walk, and then at the end of the day, I just cried. Because first of all, I worked really hard for that. So like I think I really deserve that. That's the reason why I got it. Pusinichi matha lo na bangki. Kamane bhan ki matha son bang ave hela so bangki just nimithang pasit. Thank God. You really work hard for that. Pusunjalo finally nang long lo pusunjal hai. Inke la so inke ni pai tum han chiri lo crot long ni pai tum na lo. Yeah, where are they? And I saw someone like she was really happy. She was jumping in the crowd, like, cheering me up. So La Fancy, like, it was a really wonderful experience.
Yeah.
I was literally blank la so drizzle ke puhud hai. Kini mitanga ta niche expect that lo lamang ke hai.
Acha crown ke long lo, it's very unique lapen color dalang me lapen it's really shoot on you, looking gorgeous, beautiful. Koson lo mane 1 lakh alam do feel ke bipo.
So alam bang ke hadak ta ne thanlo ke I'm actually really planning for that only. I'm going to invest on trees. Yeah, I'm really an environment person, so like I'm really going to invest on trees. I'm hoping to get some sustainable like returns in the near future. Yes. The rest ke kapre chinna.
In your life, an amount, did you ever earn before?
No, I didn't get the opportunity. I'm not getting my salary also. Yeah.
1 lakh first time
first time. Double. la si
Banyak mana piri deh.
la kali pipe anta ipai tum han pajipon
Penangan alam alang li akai lamo alang li hobbies alang li future alam penceng lo piepo alam penceng lo alang li non labang so Miss Grand Falcon 2023 nong ege long dun experience aphuthak samel tu panang chetam penangan alam wil tum paledam lo si por alam adu si labang so jai mek jujia prang ili tum non no wigi mi tum jase me risoi jang atum life along seriousness abang dure pigan ate manang le 20 years spend 35 la soang bong sinang le income non nang le jakong pia as ajai mek do anavian nang le life career step by step ke pachunji ke 20 pen 35 years sang bong chalo pulo te la so dak sitame penangan risoi jang tum apor phalang no pik drag ke chu hor ki jun la pen rong risoi jang tum mangge maximum tum ke non api apu anake sarta inglong rit ke en la pen hidia jo sok kai ta ke rodun anarni ke so martum de la video game pathu re so martum jui chot la son se apor phalang no chot thimala so por ke doerwe la se alang litum phan nangli hin pen pilo as a strong message being to
as a strong message ke I came across this very nice quote. Okay, so hadak kitok pang kelason lah hai that when you break a egg, so when you break a egg, you don't get anything. You just get a broken egg, right? But when the egg itself breaks from inside, then you get chick. That is a new life form, right? So nili dak ni school of smart hanta la solam si ninjeje that you are like that egg, okay? So ni tumba ki ninje bang ninje bompo, but when it does not come from inside, no la so bang thang ta chiplang unelo. So non mata bang ko alo ni drugs ki chu hai ta dolo di ni tumba ko alo ni munitum ko ane campaign dolo bang ki pu bang ta do olo, but still until and unless jong see if it does not come from inside hedi, there is no help, I would say. So la phase ni libang ki puji bang ke lalo that it's not too late. It's never too late actually. Maybe nang non koania arta do hoil and you're like non kini tha chipam lo. No, it's never too late. Jong si ni non la ana face long wang that pini Miss Grand Falcon High unno pulonte. Then obviously you just have to think that okay, from today I want to change. And if you really think that I can change from today, then obviously in near future you will be something that you always wanted to be.
Hoglo. Alang lagi kining je jume pigan lo hoglo. Karbi pen ke lalo uti li tum jong se kichu tu na phan mate li tum panghang lo pote la so ti bang ke pu pinghang dak po thang nang chon chela ti et jo po ne chup same amena pen ka ching hang pada dak pen vu so sinang chon ji pulote nali ning da la son no ili tum ameke jang abang phu phan la pen ameke jang ke che krong abang phu phan kang thur ke sumpik tema ameke jang binong phan ke nang li kang thur joy ke tame ameke jang ka che krong tum phan ke di nang ling thur ta lewe lalo las example la sinang li phan nang li jung pen ke matha chikirla le nang li rar phan klenji pipu phan nang li matha ponji donara phan nang li matha ponji society phan matha ponji monit pulote nang li as a human being how you should look like, how you should behave, how you should eat, how you should maintain your daily life. Plus alam si po. We are not Januar di. Itunge Januar kali. Itung Januar son do puluh de itunge munit kache krongji a value of it po as a human being. Plus alang li pen la alam the jume pigan lo. Plus penangan inspiration pen alam the li tum long polo alang li pansame alang li pansame. Plus alang li akai answer in every step. Niltum carving long life pens me wish her a prosperity life, always happiness, always positive. La lang lia kai ta reng dog reng ni dolong nang po la pen pomen pulo ka che anso se pa dolo nang la pen alang litum rong pi hem tun do anso se claim me dam me la sinang li pan just when niltum carving long life pen nang la bang so etitheni labang so short interview long porang chipi don thek ponali pan suri kardom pajirsi tang daily tum carving long life pan kardom chipira ilsun chipadi ponina tonte kardom